How to upload photos to Facebook from desktop. So if you want to upload photos to Facebook from your desktop, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your browser, make sure that you have an internet connection. Now, once you have your internet connection, you need to go with facebook.com and then make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, once you've logged into your account, you need to go with your profile, which is on top right, and then click on your profile. And after clicking on your profile, if you want to add some pictures, then what you need to do is just simply go with the section, which is photo/video. And once you click on it, it will take you to the file explorer or the file manager. Here you need to go with your pictures and select any picture that you would like to add. Click on open and you will have your picture right here. Now you can also add some message, a little message for your audience, or add some caption if you want to, and then go with next, which is on the bottom, and your photo will be posted. So just click on next and you will have these post settings. You can turn on any settings if you want to, and then go with next, which will be on the bottom, and that's it. As you can see that the photo has been uploaded. That's how you can upload photos to Facebook from desktop. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.